Good day, viewers. Odayemi Akinyemi remain my humble name. Yesterday, I made a video on how to master master IQ option interface, trading binary options. And I promised you guys that I will be bringing forth a new video teaching you step by step and dropping the indicators with you guys. All I just want to do is to add value to you guys who are part of my channel. Hey! I used to be a soldier boy. I am a registered nurse by profession and I specialize in ear, nose, and throat. You see? But I decided to sit with binary option trading, and now I have made up my mind teaching you guys what I know trading binary option. Now, today I will be showing you a very great trading system. Here I'm having 6 currency pairs I mostly do look out for, which are Euro USD, AUD USD, this is Euro USD, this is AUD USD, this is GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, and USD CHF. How do I trade this system? This is just the way I trade it. It's so simple. The upper and lower channels, they are borders. These borders act as the overbought and the oversold area. So the upper border here that is denoted with green simply means it has gotten to a period of overbought area or a period of support. A period of resistance simply means the trend has been moving up and it got to this line, it is being resisted, it's pushing it back. This region is a region where the pressure of the buyer is fading and the sellers are entering the market to sell. That simply means resistance. The sellers are resisting further buying power, thereby pushing the market down. Okay, then when you see the trend coming down the way this was and it touched the green line below, it means the selling power of the sellers is getting to a knot and is fading out so fast that the buyers are now in control. They want to push the market in the opposite direction. They are thereby supporting it. Makes support. You know, when something is falling from the top and it gets to the ground supports it, right? It's just like a gravity, an orange that falls from the tree. When the orange gets to the floor, it stops. The floor or the ground acts as the support, right? When you throw a stone up, the stone comes back. When it falls back to an object, the object holds it, it stops. It means the object is supporting it. That is what is happening here. I took this trade as the trend came down. Okay, here it came down here. There were 2 confirmations for me to trade, but I was damn busy. I couldn't take that trade, so I waited. I would have entered the trade here from these first green candles, and it would have been 3 candle expiration in binary option trading. Here to here, 3 candles expiration. But I waited patiently. There was a reversal. It touched the lower candle again. As it touched it, I missed this first candle and the trade was reversing. I said, good, nice time to enter. I enter, boom, and there we are. This is a trade. Okay. All you need to wait for are just too simple. I'm going to be explaining to you in okay. I want to okay, I want to set this to be bigger so you guys will be able to see it. You have to watch this to the end. Don't skip. If you skip, well, you are losing money if you skip. That's just the gospel truth. Now, look at this thick arrow. You know, when this trend here gets and touched this lower green line, there were emergence of two indicators. The yellow indicators popped up, then the round circle green indicator pops up. When that happens, remember this candle, this time frame is 5 minutes time frame, okay? 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes expiration, 15 to 20 minutes expiration. I say again, 15 to 20 minutes expiration. And now, when this happen, when the next candle is opening, you pick your trade, which this is the next candle. If you are traded from where this yellow line is, it should have been 1 2 3 candles, one. But because I mixed it and I entered here and I traded. So the time I traded, there was no 15 minutes on my time frame. Then on IQ option, I selected the nearest, which must not be less than 15 minutes. And when I selected it, it fell on 20 minutes. Already you can see the trade is strongly in the money. So this is very simple. Wait for the trend to go outside the line. Wait for the trend to go outside the upper line or to go outside or the below the lower line. All we just want is for the trend to touch this candle, to touch this upper line. Then you see a pop-up, yellow pop-up. Then you further see a what? A green pop-up. You have to trade on the next candle. What do I mean? Now look at this. Take a look at this. This is zero USD. This trend there, here, this trend here, it came out of the this trend here, it came out of the lower, look at, it came out of the lower band. There was a magenta ball that came up. There was a magenta ball that popped up. When the magenta ball pop up, look at it. You now look at this lower indicator here. It changes from red to yellow, from yellow to green. Then you pick your trade. During that period, a yellow indicator pop up again. A yellow indicator popped up again. You pick your trade in 15 minutes expiration. 5 minutes candle, 15 minutes expiration for binary option trading. Look at it again. It rallied up, it came down, it rallied up, it touched the upper Bollinger Band again, and there were emergence of yellow candle first, yellow what? Yellow pop-up. When there was a yellow pop-up, then there came this magenta pop-up again, double confirmation, theory candle. All you just need to wait for the trend to touch either the upper and the lower Bollinger Band. Ensure that the lower and the upper Bollinger Band, they are separated wide enough, just as you can see it now. This was a clearly one trade. If you are to trade it with scalping in forex, you see, you just pick little pips on 5 minutes time frame. 10 people would have been enough for you because we call it scalping. 10 people would have been enough for you. If you pick your 10 pips, you would have been out of the market, as in make your profit and leave. And if you want to be if you want to be conservative, 10 to 15 pips is okay. But if you want to be, how do I put it now? You don't want to be conservative. You can trade when there is emergence of the opposite signal, just as it is now. Okay. So if you are trading binary option, 3 candle expiration, if you are trading forex, you can exit at the emergence of the opposite pop-up. Okay. First trade, binary option 1, second trade 1, third trade 1, fourth trade 1. Look at AUD USD. Look at the trade here. Look at this one. It was 1. Look at this. It was 1. If you are scalping, then you can just exit your trade at the opposite signal. Okay. I'm going to be dropping this indicator for you to download and practice it. Okay. Download and practice. Download and practice. Download and practice. I want to try as much as possible that I don't waste much of your time explaining. I just want to give a little explanation and you guys will be able to do what is expected of you. If you have any question, please go and drop your question below the comment box. If you want me to look at any trading system for you, please make a comment. Anything you want me to do for you to satisfy you, please drop your comment and let me see. But please kindly, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel so that the next time I'm going to make a video is going to come to you as what? As a message. Okay, it will come to you as a message. You can also use this trading system on another platform, on IQ Option or Melanie.com, on any broker at all. You are free. You are at liberty. I am not advocating for any broker. I am not preaching any broker, but make sure that you are able to take the risk. Okay, you should be able to take the risk. Binary option trading involves risk, and I am not your financial manager, neither am I your financial advisor. Please consult your financial advisor before you embark on forex or binary option trading. I will be dropping the curtain. I'll be drawing the curtain for today. Odeyemi Akinyemi remain my humble name. Kindly come back tomorrow or next to watch the next video. Binary option trading is sweet as it is, you can lose money. Forex trading is so amazing. As amazing as it is, you can lose money. Anytime, love you. Thank you. God bless you.